Well, we finally hit the big time, boys. And by we, I mean really Tim, and I'm just kind of associate. It doesn't matter. Today we're doing a collaboration with Mr. Jack Lumber. And if you don't know who that is, I don't really either. Not many people do. He's a bit of a mystery, kind of a myth, if you will, here in the Chicagoland area. Actually, Karen, do you know who he is?
A tree killed his granny and now he is out for revenge. Meet Jack Lumber, the superhuman lumberjack who hates trees, loves animals, and hates trees.
No, that's not who he is. What's with all the flash lately?
New year, new me.
Okay, fair enough. So today we're gonna go do a collaboration with Mr. Jack Lumber. The only really way that I can explain who he is if I send you over to his Instagram, but since I can't do that in real time, I'll just kind of elaborate that he just really is a guy that enjoys his supercars. That's pretty much all. You'll see when we get there. Also, Karen, speaking of new year, new you, I've been meaning to kind of tell you something.
You can tell me anything.
Tim doesn't like you very much.
Feeling is mutual. It's probably because he's scared of girls.
Whoa, Karen, come on.
Porsche 911 GT3 RS, 4-liter boxer 6, 520 horsepower, 346 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, top speed, 193 miles per hour, maximum engine speed, 9,000 revolutions per minute. This is what dreams are made of.
I was born to fuel this fire, yeah. Hold my breath and look up higher.
Dirty anyway.
I know, but did you all realize how cold and dirty it would be out here?
That is cold. That is cold. Dirty. Dress warmer next time.
What a lovely day. Woke up on a vibe, y'all. Got a brand new thing. It's all going my way. My shoes got soaked. Got a strut in my walk now. Got a pocket full of sun. Won't say won't go down. But I can feel it in the city, yeah. Happy when I'm breathing in it. Roll the dice for the 7, hit 11, hit a 7, hit 11 again. Good. Got a 40 clove. Y'all cannot go wood. It's my lucky day. My lucky
Bit of a dream car for me.
There you go. Appreciate what I've got. It's not like for any other reason except for like when I was growing up, I dreamt of doing stupid shit like this. So it's like,
Yeah.
it's not too far off. I think there's a lot of people that want to do this, they would never do it. So it's like I do it for them.
Thanks for not killing me.
Yeah.
See, I was there on your car, but then I would run into it. So I was like, no, even at RuPaul's Day.
Remember when you called Jack Lumber out?
Nice one, Joe.
Jack Lumber? Lumber, where you at? Jack Lumber is here. Full force.
I have one question for you. Is Jack Lumber an alias?
See ya, Jack. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, guys. We've done a lot of crazy shoots since this whole YouTube thing started. We shot that old Cadillac that was on air suspension that was laying frame throwing sparks all over the road. We shot that beautiful R34 Skyline with the full carbon front end in front of the Chicago skyline. We even shot an R8 RWS in front of the lake with freezing waves crashing right into it. But it wasn't until one of the earliest shoots that I did with Tim. It was a $4 million Porsche collection, the most exclusive Porsches on the planet, all in a cul-de-sac, and we got to spend like 3 or 4 hours with them. It wasn't until that shoot that I really grew an appreciation for Porsches, 911s in particular, and then seeing Jack throw around his GT3 RS on loose gravel just kind of solidified that it is a dream car for me. So hopefully one day that I can actually get behind the wheel and feel what it's all about. But anyways, I digress. To revisit the question at the beginning of this video, who actually is Jack Lumber? Well, with the footage that I've left you with, I'll kind of leave it open for discussion, and hopefully Mr. Lumber invites us back for round 2. But as for that, that's all I've got, and thanks for watching.
He wants you to do a donut around you since you called me out, so.
Yeah, of course.
So your car?